some people are only selling this you just see that person decide to do this furniture, sell furniture. Some are doing only pako, selling pako. All those things are building. Because someone asked me a question, is it a good business? Nah, it's a good business. If you are into furniture, it's a big business. But another thing is, you will be creative. Another thing is, you will walk around the world. Don't tell me that you cannot go on, you can't check your TikTok, you can't check your Instagram, you can't check, you don't know. Go and learn how to do all this. You will see better ones there. And when you see better ones there, you will begin to do it. Learn to be creative in anything you learn to do today. Be creative. Do it more than. Try to sleep over and ask God to give you inspiration to do those things. Don't start one pattern and you will not change the pattern. People will be tired of you. You will fade quick. Though every rich man fades. But when you begin to change the kind of things, inspirations, and change the things you're doing, now you no go fail. Some people will be there. You just see that person. You will, some will say they are not watching television. You will not know what is happening. You will not know fashion. Things will go out of hand. How can you cope? Some people are selling only cotton and they are making it. They sell it, they sew it. Sew it, and you see some people into it. They are selling it, they are not sewing. They sell it in wholesale. Run into business today. It will help you a lot. Why am I saying this? If everybody enter into business, who will buy from them? We sell different things. We don't sell the same thing. We Igbos are not jealous of when you are selling because we know what we are going to talk for people to come to our own. Anya de job we rafia. We they use our mouth to sell. And when we talk you into the business. We talk you into buying from us. We talk you into doing the business. This is it. So you will all these things. That's why you have to stay under somebody. Learn how to do it. Pay to learn. Pay to learn. And when you are learning, bend down to learn. A lot of people will not learn very well. They will jump out. And that's why you see, before you see people that know how to sew clothes now, it's difficult. Before you see people that know how to do, even make your hair very well, it's difficult. Why? Everybody is rushing. Everybody is rushing. Nobody wants to bend down to learn. Before you see people learn how to make hair 3 years. Now, if that person stay with you 6 months, 1 year, in fact, the person's face will change. What will be here? They never do me freedom. They never do me freedom. Please, learning. Don't be in a haste to rush out to start your work. Once you learn work, don't be in a haste to jump out of that place. When you finish learning work for that person. Work for the person very well. That one will help you. You will be experts in what you are doing. This is Love Ada Family TV. In case you are coming across this video for the first time, follow us and share these posts. Let it get to everywhere in the world. I love you all. Thank you.